Now, there was a very famous astronomer, physicist, a cosmologist named Carl Sagan, who, from the last century, died in 1996. Kind of interesting for those of you who are taking the course at Kingsborough, because Carl Sagan was brought up in Bensonhurst. Well, Carl Sagan put together a series, a PBS television series called Cosmos. And it's really about cosmology from a scientific perspective, but it really touches on the issues that we're talking about. And what I'm going to suggest is, why don't you take a look at episode 7. He calls him the first scientist. He's talking about Thales and Anaximander and explaining how they got started in science or in philosophy. So why don't you click on that link, and that gives you the entire episode. The entire episode is probably about an hour long. You only have to listen to 5 or 7 minutes, actually, from minute 16, which says 42 minutes left, until minute 23. Minute 16, it starts here 25 centuries ago. You'll see Carl Sagan on a boat talking about what went on and how science, how philosophy got started. Now, in there, he's going to be making a very important distinction between what he's talking about, cosmos, an ordered universe, versus myth, the mythology that they have. He's going to contrast, the order that the Milesians saw in the universe versus the chaos that you got from the mythological perspective, from the view that's portrayed in the epic poets, and also makes a distinction between looking for reason, or rational reason, versus superstition or appealing to the supernatural. Take a look at that. I think it's going to help give you a background and understanding how philosophy got started.